Hello, welcome to my channel, the Crochet Yarn and Hook Studio. Today we are making this beautiful butterfly. It's a 3D butterfly that we can make with a crochet hook and a yarn. You can make this butterfly and you can use it on any of the things like accessories, hangings, or even the decor on any of the bags or anything. A magic loop, one chain, and start making the half double crochet 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to close it and a slip stitch. One chain, now in second round we have to make 2 half double crochet in every stitch. One, two. So in this way we will be having 10 half double crochet in this round. Slip stitch, one chain, now we are not increasing anything, we are going to just continue this round with half double crochet. Slip stitch, one more round with the same stitch, half double crochet in every stitch. We have done with 4 rounds. Slip stitch, one chain, one more round with half double crochet, and this is the last round we are doing. In the last round, we are going to decrease 2 times only. So I'm not putting this marker because this is the last round. 1 chain, half double crochet we are going to do in every stitch, but 2 times we have to decrease. 1 time decrease we have done, and this is the second time we are going to decrease, and that's it. Slip stitch, cut the thread, we will make the second part exactly like this. After completing the second part, then we will work on the other side of the same thing. The 2 sides are done and they both are on the same stitches. We started with 5 half double crochet in a magic loop. Then we double it. We made 10 half double crochet in the second round, and then we continue till the end. In the last round we only decrease 2 times. So this is how both of the things are created. Now we are going to join them together. This is going to be the lower wings of the butterfly. But before joining, let's start for the next. In the next upper wings, we talk about the upper wings, we have to make it with 7 half double crochet in a magic loop. So we will take 7 half double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now slip stitch in the first stitch, 1 chain, now we will double all the stitches, like we will put 2 half double crochet in every stitch. So in this way we will be having 14 half double crochet in the second round. I will count it for you so you should know that how many stitches we have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. This is going to be the 14th one. 13 and 14 we will put in the last stitches. Slip stitch in the first stitch, 1 chain, now we are not going to increase anything. The upper part of the butterfly is also done. Now we have to sew both of the sides of the upper butterfly and the lower one. So let's sew them together, and we are going to sew it with the Pitsy needle. One side is sewed with the Dipitsy needle. Let's sew the second side. We have to keep the threads on the opposite sides because we have to give them a knot. So we have to do it like this. One thread is one side and the other thread is at the other side. And we will sew with one of the thread and then we will give a knot. We are going to cut the smaller thread. Same with the smaller wings as well. With the same thread, I am going to give it a knot. Like this. I will hold it, both of the wings, both of the things together in this direction. And give the knot. Our another 3D style of butterfly is ready. This is the most beautiful thing that you can add in your variety of butterflies. I hope you have learned really well that how to make the butterfly. I have already given many tutorials on butterfly, and you can watch so many other ways to make butterflies in different styles. There is not only one style of making the butterfly. I hope you have learned enough that you can make it for yourself. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel. Stay tuned. Bye.